How to download Spotify on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you will need to go to the App Store, so click on the Amazon Apps icon on the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet. Once you're on the App Store, you want to click the top right hand corner where you see the little magnifying glass icon. Then you want to type in Spotify. You should be able to see the Spotify logo. When you do, just click on it. And then once you're on the Spotify music page, you can click Get on the right hand side. Then you should see in the middle of the screen, after you click Get, it should say Free Download, and a green button next to it. So click the green download button. Then dependent on your Fire Tablet speed, it might take a few seconds or a few minutes to fully download. Then you can click Open on this page here, or you can go to the home screen of your Amazon Fire Tablet, then click on the Spotify app. Once you're in the Spotify app, you can log into an existing account or you can sign up for a new one. Leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.